Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert a octal number to a binary number. If you are new in this channel, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get started. Here we are going to do that. Each digit an octal number converts to a 3-digit binary group. Why is that? Yes, we have a shortcut method. Each octal digit can be directly replaced with its 3-digit binary equivalent. This process is quick and simple. An octal number has a base of 8, which means each digit ranges from 0 to 7. We use a simple formula to convert each digit into binary. This formula is a series of 3 numbers. By adding the right combination of this, we create the binary equivalent of each digit. Let's move on to the practical part. We have the octal number 745. Starting from the right side, the first digit is 5. Now 5 is made by adding 4 plus 1, which means we place 1 in the position 4 and 1, and other position would be 0. So the binary of 5 is 101. Next octal digit is 4. Now we put 1 on the position of 4, other position would be 0. So the binary number of 4 is 100. Next octal digit is 7. 7 is made by adding 4 plus 2 plus 1, which we place 1 in the position 4, 2 and 1. So the binary form of 7 is 111. Now we get the complete binary code of 745.